MR Shop.
Looking for the best electric belt sander? In this video I have compiled a list of the top 5 electric belt sander in the market. Please note that the price can be changed at any time. Number 5. $110 volts, 220 volts, 750 W electric belt sander, vertical and horizontal dual-use belt sander, polishing grinding machine, belt grinder machine. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Check description below for product link. Number 4. VEVOR 1.5 kilowatts belt grinder machine, 2 by 82 inches, variable, constant speed, 3 mode electric belt sander for tool polishing, knife making. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Number 3. Electric belt sander, vertical and horizontal dual-use belt sander, polishing grinding machine, belt grinder machine, 110 volts, 220 volts, 750 W. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Number 2. $1,200 by 50 mm belt grinder machine, 750 W multifunctional vertical and horizontal belt sander, polisher, sharpener, polishing machine. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Number 1. $915 50 mm multifunctional belt sander, 0.75 kilowatts vertical and horizontal mini belt machine, metal polishing and grinding machine. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Check description below for product link. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.